Hey my lovelies, it's Tanzania, aka Tanzy the Glow Up Guru. Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And join the Glow gang, cause you glow, girl or boy. Hey guys, it's me, Tanzy the Glow Up Guru, and I'm doing a voiceover. So yeah guys, I am just going to show you how I turned this old, very old lace front wig into a braided wig. This was actually a method that I used where you can use a half wig as well. So what I did was I pulled back the lace. It was actually like a full wig, but I didn't wear it, so I just wanted to see if I could do something with it because I was kind of bored with it. And so I just added some lace to the front of it, pinned it down, and then I started adding pieces of hair in a basically like a curved line. And I put little pieces of hair in the direction that I wanted to braid. So right now you see me, it seems like I'm struggling. It's because of the way that I had the camera and positions and whatnot. So yeah, bear with me guys. This is an impromptu video. I didn't think I would start it or finish it, but I did. And guys, you can do this method with a half wig, a regular wig. Just push it back on a mannequin head or a block head, and then cut you out some lace, add it to the front. I apologize for not showing that part, guys, but yeah, I'm just going ahead and braiding. It's really simple. You just cornrow. And I apologize guys for not showing all of it. But I'm gonna do my best because I plan on selling some wigs. So yeah, if you want one, hit me up. The name of my business is Imaginemeinnovations, and I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and let me see, Facebook, Instagram, and I have an email too, Imaginemeinnovations@gmail.com. So yeah guys, I actually wanted to do like a little heart, so I pinned the heart with a little pin. I started basically going in the direction that I ventilated the hair. And guys, this is a faster way to do it. And what I did was I took some red thread, I think it was red, yeah, and then I pulled it in order to make the heart shape. Now, you don't have to do this, but I wanted that heart to look more prominent and more like there. So I just pulled it and kept on working with it. Then this is where I finished. Basically, I actually had to go back in and add some more hair to it in order to, some more braids actually, into the frontal, because it looked too spacious. But right here, I'm just adding some flexi rods to it. And yeah, wrapping it around, twisting it, and folding the flexi rod, smushing it, yeah. And then once I did that, I just did the whole head like that, basically. And I have these little twists on the side, so I'm gonna, what am I doing? I'm doing something. There you go. And just wrap it around. And it's like a twisting motion. And then I go up like I'm doing a roller set. And just squeeze it, push it down, do what you gotta do, and mush it. So yeah, guys, this is actually fun and relaxing. I make wigs for fun, out of boredom sometimes, to relax and to de-stress. And yeah, I hope you guys like these videos. I know they're different. I have a weird, I wouldn't say weird, but unique taste in wigs. I like doing my own thing, you know, something that nobody has really done. That's just me. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on twisting. As of right here, I added some baby hairs to the front. And guys, try and ventilate baby hairs, but make them very thin. Like, use thin amounts of hair, because I realized the baby hairs was kind of bulky. It worked out in the end, though. And I dipped the hair in hot water. You don't have to, but if you want the curls or waves to last for a long time, then please, by all means, dip in hot boiling water. Right now I'm taking some gel, and just, not regular gel, but extreme gel, clear gel. Use that and just define the curls. I would not recommend using that Crystal Pro and Pro gel. I would not recommend that. Something soft, like a defining gel or something. Not something that just hold it, like if you were to use it on your own hair, that glued to your scalp basically hardens. Don't get that. Instead, get a gel that's like has a loose hold but still defines. And now I'm just untwisting it. I actually braided one of them. So I started doing a braid down, and then I added some flexi rods to the ends of it. And people, I learned this technique from seeing natural hair girls on YouTube. Basically braid their hair down and then add a flexi rod at the very end, and it just gives a good look. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you think. Love ya.